Hi guys, Mr. Golden T here, and today, oh shoot, this is gonna be one of the hardest challenges I have done. So you can see here, I got this magical bird that balances on your finger, and then we got this wet porch here that you have to try to step into the non-wet parts. So we have to do like a figure eight kind of thing. So let's get started. Here, my dog's gonna come out. Come on, Ozzy, let's go. Okay, so let's start this. Okay, so I'm gonna just film it like this. So I got the bird here and my feet non-wet parts. But I dropped the bird here. Let me just like position it in my hand a little better. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, so that's the easy part. It's not that much wet, but when you get over here, it's gonna be hard. See, this carpet is soaking wet. Oh my gosh, I already got, well, like not wet, but like damp. So all you gotta do is sit in this chair. So this chair's the checkpoint. You get about 5 seconds. Okay, then we go. Okay. So see here, it's like soaking wet. Let's try to get it over. Okay, look at this dump. How are we gonna do this? We'll pass that. We have to get back to the door. So let's go here. Okay, here's some of the tricky parts. Ooh. Okay, and guys, I got a bonus. You have to walk down and up the stairs, so I'm gonna do that bonus part. Ooh, I'm pretty good at this. I never done it before, but I'm good at it. Oh, and that's my bike. Okay, guys, we're still going. And this is really starting to hurt my finger. Okay, so this right here is wet. And in order to do that, we have to go back up. So let's go back up. Oh my gosh, the bird. Oh my god. Okay, guys, that was the hardest part so far. Okay, now all we gotta do is get back. Here we go. Okay, I'm a little screwed. I don't know how. Oh no, okay. Get here. Trying to like step here and then get back up here. Yes, guys. Okay. Do you think I can jump from here to there? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I did it. Okay, easy part. Easy part. Okay, guys, I'm finished. That was the challenge. It's called the Balancing Bird Challenge. Hope you enjoy that. Bye.